In this video, you will know the types of charts. The B chart is good to use when you are dealing with categorized groups of data, or if you want to show differences among data based on a single variable. Bar chart are for comparing concepts and percentages among factors or sets of data. Column chart are effective for the comparison of at least one set of data points. Scatter chart are ideal for analyzing how different goals settle around the main topic and their various dimensions. A bubble chart builds on the base scatter plot by having the third variable's value determine the size of each point. Line chart is normally used for explaining trends over periods. Area charts are ideal for displaying trends over a period for single or several categories, or the change between several data groups. The radar chart is useful for showing multiple data groups in terms of 2D diagrams of at least 3 variables on axes. Tree map charts depict data in a tree-like format, with branches and sub-branches that can be read immediately. Waterfall charts particularly useful in accounting and qualitative analysis and illustrate how an initial value is affected positively and negatively by various factors. A funnel chart is often seen in business contexts where visitors or users need to be tracked in a pipeline flow. A box and whisker plot, or box plot, is a convenient way of visually displaying the data distribution through their quartiles.